Hi, I'm Chelsi Stratton from Chelsi Stratton Designs, and today I'm here in my sewing studio to talk all about my Sincerely Yours quilts. And I actually have the first one up and ready to go. This is Cross My Heart, and this quilt is Fat Eighth friendly and uses a lot of backgrounds and features all of the prints in a Fat Eighth bundle of our Sincerely Yours fabrics. What's really fun that I want to note is that Sincerely Yours fabrics have already shipped to your favorite shops online, brick and mortar. So these are available, the patterns are available, the fabrics are available for you to make these wonderful quilts. Cross My Heart, just like I said, traditional piecing and just a fun addition to your quilts that you want to make. The next quilt I'm going to be talking and sharing about is Afterglow. And this quilt is your beginner-friendly quilt that you're going to want to make. It has a really cool ombre effect, and we just started with the darkest fabrics in Sincerely Yours and moved our way up. And that's what's kind of cool about this collection, is it gives you so many varying color SKUs to work with. I also want to note that my quilter Marion Bott did the fun swirls on this quilt. And you can also use a nice range of the low volumes in this one, since I used our tone-on-tone background with this as well. And just one last thing, this quilt is also Fat Eighth friendly. Okay, so this next quilt is named Safe Haven, and it is another Fat Eighth friendly quilt. I think I just must really love Fat Eighths. And you are able to use all of the fabrics within this quilt. And I also did something a little bit different, you might have noticed. I wanted to show how Sincerely Yours looks using the Bella 200 background from Moda, because it just gives it a little bit more modern pop and feel to the quilt. And this quilt is also intermediate beginner confident. So you're using a little bit different piecing techniques. So definitely putting this in the intermediate category, but it's just such a beautiful quilt and just a lot of fun to make, and really shows off each of the different prints in the collection and is almost perfect for a twin size bed. So I love this one because I can put it on my daughter's beds, and I might just have to make a second one to go with it. This next quilt is called Good Hearted, and it actually uses a layer cake, which is one of my very favorite pre-cuts, as well as some yardage. Also, this was a boxed kit with Moda, and so be on the lookout for shops that may be carrying a boxed kit for the Good Hearted quilt kit, and the pattern is included. And this is a smaller size than the other quilts that I made this time around. Just perfect for a lap quilt to throw over the couch, put on a ladder, cuddle up with. So it uses all of the different fabrics in the collection. And also you'll notice that it has alternating blocks, which gives it kind of a fun patchwork kind of feel. And I just really, really love this quilt. We used the tone-on-tone background in it, and actually, the last pattern I want to talk about is not up here because I have something fun to say. I'm going to be doing a quilt along. The pattern is Be Mine, and Billy's going to pop up a picture right now of it. It's fat quarter friendly, and it uses 4 different blocks, as you can see in the picture. And I will be doing that quilt along in January. Patterns are available, shops have fabrics, so be on the lookout for more information on my blog and on my Instagram, all about that. So that is coming very, very soon, so be on the lookout. We will have the measurements for the sizes of the quilts linked in, put in the description, and patterns will also be linked in the description as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video where I talked all about my Sincerely Yours quilts. And if you enjoyed these quilts in this video, be sure to check out your local quilt shops or favorite online quilt shops for the fabrics. And thanks so much for stopping by.